Good evening, everyone. I'm cleaning this automatic washing machine once a month, and this is the dirt. What I will get. Oh. See guys, it's like a mud. This is the first one I get. Oh. Like mud inside. Smelly and too much dirt. Oh. There is too much stuff here. Around 30, more than 30 video stuff here, and I'm the one only cleaning. See, it's too much dirt. Because if you didn't clean it, it will stain to your clothes when you are cleaning, when you are washing. So once a month, you clean it. See guys, how dirty it is. Gano'n po dumi. Kaya lahat po ng washing machine natin, linisin po natin kahit once a month. Ito mga automatic. Yan. Yan guys. It's too dirty. Kapit po ito sa mga, lalo na pag puti yung lalaban. Sobrang dumi. Yan. Grabe. Kaya mga washing machine nyo po, lalo automatic, kailangan po natin linisin yan once a week or twice a month. I almost done. And after this, I will clean it with water. Ikutin ko po muna ng 15 minutes para ma-drain yung mga dumi. Yun na po, medyo linis na siya. Yung rubber, yung paikot niya. See? It's almost clean na. Thank you for watching.